Agent file download and local installation process in Intel EMA web interface. Welcome to this tutorial on downloading agent files and installing them locally using the Intel EMA web interface. This guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to efficiently manage your Intel vPro PCs. Let's begin. Step 1. Starting from home screen. We'll start the process by navigating to the home screen of your Intel EMA web interface. Step 2. Accessing endpoint groups. Click on the endpoint groups icon in the left sidebar to access the endpoint groups. Step 3. Choosing endpoint group. Select the endpoint group you want to work with from the list on the endpoint groups screen. Step 4. Creating agent files. Click the arrow next to the endpoint group's name and choose Create Agent Files. Step 5. Generating agent installation files. In the Generate Agent Installation Files screen, download both the endpoint agent and the agent policy file. Step 6. Copying files to PCs. Manually copy these downloaded files to each PC where you intend to install the agent. Alternatively, utilize a distribution tool for this purpose. Step 7. Installing agent as local administrator. Following the successful download, proceed to install the agent as a local administrator on each PC. Ensure that the agent and agent policy files have the same name and are kept together. Step 8. First method. 1. Log into the PC and navigate to the directory containing the two files. 2. Right-click on the emaagent.exe file and choose Run as Administrator. 3. The Intel EMA Agent Installer window will appear. 4. Click on Install/Update. 5. Once the installation is complete, the pop-up window will disappear. 6. Verify the installation success. Check if the Intel EMA Agent background service is running in the Windows service. Like the first method, confirm the installation success by checking the Intel EMA Agent background service in the Windows service. Step 9. Second method. 1. Log into the PC. 2. Open a command prompt window with local administration rights. 3. Navigate to the directory with the two files. 4. Use the command emaagent.exe-full install to install the agent. 5. Like the first method, confirm the installation success by checking the Intel EMA Agent background service in the Windows service and verifying the creation of the C:\program files /Intel/EMA Agent directory. Step 10. Distribution and installation. If your organization has an established process for software distribution and installation on PCs, you can utilize that process to distribute and install the Intel EMA Agent software. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to download and install agent files locally using the Intel EMA web interface. These steps are pivotal for streamlined endpoint management of your Intel vPro PCs. Keep an eye out for more tutorials showcasing Intel EMA's comprehensive capabilities. Thank you for joining us.